y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna, and today, if you can't tell by the pink robe, is a UNICE day. We're installing this wig sent to me by UNICE. All the information for the hair, of course, will be in the description box below. So this is a 13 by 4, 26-inch transparent lace straight wig. I think the density is 150, but it's going to be floating across the screen. Wig that I have from them, and it's also one of the wigs that you can tape down as opposed to gluing down so that it can be glueless. So this is what the pre-cut hairline looks like, and you can see the transparent lace. You can also see that they pre-plucked the frontal a little bit, so it gives you more of, oh, hold on, sorry. So that gives you more of a natural looking hairline like that. The inside of the wig is constructed on a dome cap, of course, and then you have like the tapes on the sides, and you can see where they bleached the knots. The back of the wig, per usual, we have the non-slip silicone grip around the wig, and then the 2 adjustable bands and the comb as well at the back. So if you want to see me install this wig, then you got to keep on watching. Alright, so jumping right into everything, I'm just going to slide off my bonnet. I already have my wig cap on, and I'm just going to take some of my cream makeup, of course, that I have from Ruby Kisses, and I'm going to color the wig cap in the front. I should start getting darker wig caps, but it's like I get so many of these wig caps with the wigs. That's why I use this kind, but darker wig caps would eliminate this step entirely. Okay, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the makeup here. It's 2 colors. I'm going in between both of them, and I'm just going to run it along the inside of the wig, in between where the little ear tapes are, because I don't want to put the makeup on the tapes, but I just want it like a little bit where it's kind of like clear right there, just on the edge like that. I'm not going to adjust the straps in the back because I feel like they may just fit fine already. So I'm gonna slide the wig on. I love how they only have the comb in the back because that's the only comb I use anyway. I don't use the front combs. And just sliding the wig on without even like attaching the ear tabs. This is what it looks like. It's feeling like it is giving very natural and flat is the look for this. So if you want like a natural, kind of giving like kind of quick weave vibes, like if you were to install like a quick weave with like 2 packs of hair, that is the equivalent of the thickness of this hair. It looks like this. So you can see, like if you did a ponytail, that's how wide it would be. So this wig is, this unit is definitely on the thinner side. So if you're looking for like a more natural, flatter look, then this one would definitely be for you. But before I style it, I gotta actually attach the tapes on the side. So let me roll this back. So since I have makeup on my face, I'm just taking some of my rubbing alcohol and a cotton ball, and I'm like just cleaning that area, like just to make sure so that the tape can really stick. And the good thing that I like about these is if you mess up with this tape, they send you some more in the box. So you don't have to worry about like if you mess up, and it's really easy to apply it. It's like applying a sticker essentially, because it's kind of like essentially what it is. And then if you run out, you can always buy more of these tapes. Like they have them online on their website. All right. So now what you're gonna do is ever so slightly and gently lift up the ear tabs. But before you even lift the ear tabs, you really want to adjust the wig to make sure you have it in an area that you like. So this one looks fine like this, and then now I'm just going to lift it right here, and then I'm just peeling back this blue tape and pulling it forward like this. And you want to apply a little bit of pressure onto the tape like before you just let it go, like after you take it off. So just hold it down for a little bit, sing your favorite song, count to 30 or something like that. It doesn't necessarily got to be 30 seconds, but definitely just make sure you're applying a little bit of pressure so that it sticks. So that is good, like that. And then peel back that side. And I'm pulling this down. And before I like set it down, I'm really just like looking at my hairline to make sure everything looks okay. And it does. So now I'm gonna hold both of it. Ah, like I'm screaming. That's honestly how I feel today after work. I'm going through it, y'all. Oh man, okay. So now of course around the rest of the hairline, I'm gonna lay down like my baby hairs. I'm not gonna use glue because this is glueless, but I probably will use some of the little spray to lay this down a little bit flatter, because I think I wanna do like, I don't know, I think I may wanna do like a half up, half down, or a style where my hair is pulled back. Maybe, don't quote me, I may change my mind. But I wanna make sure just the front is laying completely flat. But this is what it looks like. If you want to just use the ear tapes and you don't want to use glue or anything, most of you probably can. Again, I have the hairline that sticks out a little bit further than where they cut the lace at. So my hair, it doesn't blend right here. So that's why I have to do all this extra work. But if you just had like skin right here, it would blend and then you could just put makeup on it and go about your business. But for me, we got to put in a little extra effort, of course. Story of my life. All right, let's get these baby hairs on the road. All right, so now that my edges are done, I'm taking this even spray right here. And I'm going around like the perimeter, like right here. And behind my edges. Just a little bit on the front. On the other side. And then I'm just gonna wrap my edges. To do this, I'm just using my Got To Be Free spray. Typically, I would use like my wax stick, but I didn't want to make my hair greasy because this hair is very, very like silky. So I'm like, let me just use the free spray and see how it looks. If I feel like I need the wax stick, then I'll use it, but we'll see. All right, so next I'm just gonna go through and flat iron my hair a little bit. Even though it's straight, you just wanna get out like any bumps or anything. I'm just gonna do like a quick pass through, nothing too crazy. Like I said, it's already bone straight. So we got the hair flat iron. Look how silky it is. It is very silky and it's very light. So I decided I'm going to do like a partial half, like a half up, half down, but not like a full half up, half down, but just like a high half up, half down, kind of, if that makes sense. Probably not, but oh well. Because you have pretty good parting space in this frontal, so. So for the style, I said I was going to use rubber bands because unfortunately I don't have any like small black bands like this. So I have like dark blue rubber bands that I'm using. But it's okay because the hair is thinner at the top. I'm using 2 rubber bands. Perfect. So I got it wrapped around and I'm just like pulling it in the ponytail so that the top part can like stick up. I don't like when it's flat. I like when it like sits up high. Reminds me of my childhood. No. And then pull this like this. And usually if I want it to stay like this, I could get like a bobby pin and pin it down in the back, but I'm not gonna do that. Now I know it, like, some people don't like to see the actual like rubber band in their hair, so you can wrap hair around it. For me, I like to see the actual rubber band because it looks more natural. I mean, like, because naturally if you were to put your hair in a ponytail, you would see the rubber band. I wish it was black so you didn't have to see a blue rubber band, but it is what it is. It's a blue one, sorry. It's dark, at least it's not yellow or green. Maybe the green, nah, the blue. So yeah. Now one last thing I need to do is I'm just gonna take my cream makeup and go along my hairline so it blends. And there you are. I really like this because it's nice and it's natural, it's cute. It's a cute little style for spring. And again, this wig is very versatile, so you really can do anything with it. This is just an example of how I wanted to style it today, but you can do whatever you want. If you want to wear it down, if you want to curl it, you could do whatever you like. What I said, I don't know. I like this hairstyle. This reminds me of my cheerleading days. I used to do my hair like this all the time and have like a little, and have a bow at the top. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. And that is it. Adios till next time.